Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm building an AI native YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now, I'm going to break it down into four different sections. First, I'm going to show you how to get ideas to create content. Second, I'm going to show you how you can actually build the content using AI, so the structure and also the video editing. And at the last, I'm going to show you how you can store and keep track of all of the analytics on how your content is performing. Let's get started with the phase one, which is ideation. Now, whenever you want to build out content, ideation is something that takes a long time. Usually, people never get started because they don't have ideas on what they have to just talk about. So, to mitigate this, I built out one system that takes in calls with my friends, with my customers, discovery calls, sales calls, and then just breaks it down into content items, which I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, this is a Notion page, which is just pretty much an Excel sheet if you want, with all of the things that I've ever said regarding important subjects about AI or just my personal experience that I can then use to create posts on LinkedIn or videos on YouTube. The great thing about this is that it actually comes from your precise experience. So that makes it so it's never going to be wrong. It's your experience. You're the one that gets to narrate the story. From one single call, you can get tens of ideas on what to post. And then you can also break it down on which type of post it should be. Is it a personal experience? Is it AI? Is it both? And you can do this for any niche out there, really. Now, sometimes, well, you're just getting started and you really don't know what to talk about, which is where system number two comes in. So instead of just taking your experience, what you do is you do research on the things that are trending. In this case, you can use YouTube channels that are within your given niche in order to be able to start exploring some systems that might help you out. I'm going to show you how you do that. Now, right here, if I go into my YouTube inspiration, as you can see, I have a lot of channels that I follow. I'm just going to remove this icon. I have a lot of channels that I actually follow regarding AI and automation in general, with a ton of views, a ton of videos that can get me ideas. What I do is I actually created a system which you're going to learn how to build out within 1 week or two that just grabs all of their YouTube videos, tells me what's performing well, what are the things that are missing inside of my channel, and then how I can just take some transcripts and just create that content. Now, these are the channels that I'm keeping track of. But on top of this, you can also just have a huge base with literally all of the videos. So this might be a bit overkill in my case because I've literally taken thousands upon thousands of videos. But just taking the videos from the last 1 to 3 months is something that's extremely powerful. On top of this, because you actually get the comment sections from all of these videos, you can also use the comments because they're usually questions in order to be able to build even more content. And that will be directly linked to what people actually want. Now comes phase number three. Once you're done your research, you actually have to, well, film yourself and then you have to just edit out the video. Right now, the editing on this channel is quite lightweight, but this is going to change soon because now AI is fantastic at editing videos. Now I can literally just say a few keywords that not gonna say during this video in order to be able to cut sections of the video, in order to be able to add transitions inside of the video. And you will see, and I will show you how you can actually build this type of system for yourself. So you will literally just have to film yourself with the camera, then just give everything to AI, and it will do the editing plus the upload plus the thumbnail. That's the way that this YouTube channel operates right now. Last but not least, keeping everything tidy. Of course, it's great to just film content, but you have to know how it's performing and you have to know your baseline. That's why I actually built a system for myself that keeps track of literally all of my YouTube videos as well as their performance. So here I have all of the YouTube videos that I've actually created, how many views they have, how many impressions, and this just gave me an idea on what is performing well, what are the hooks that are doing well, what are the thumbnails that are doing well, and it also allows me to track my evolution each and every single day. So as soon as I go into my content management system, that is what CMS stands for, I can look at the evolution of my YouTube subscribers over time. I can look at the evolution of my LinkedIn followers over time as well. Now, for the time being, this is what I have to show you. I'm going to show you how to build all of these systems. Some of these I've already shown you how to build, but this is how you get started with content and using AI as the assistant while while you really keep yourself inside of the core of the content that you're publishing. Your experience, your face. I am not going to be creating an AI avatar right now because I don't think that that's a good, I would say, I don't think that that's a good way of actually maintaining contact with human people. Maybe at some point in time, and the technology really is there. You can create fantastic avatars. For the time being, it's just gonna be me showing you how to build cool things with AI over the next coming months. I'll say catch you soon. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with the latest AI news. And see you later.